Hey there, future scientists. I'm excited to dive into the fascinating world of compound microscopes with you today. Whether you're just starting in biology or prepping for a big lab exam, understanding your microscope is key. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about the parts of a compound microscope. You've got the where you look through. This usually has a 10x magnification. Next, there are usually 3 to 4 of these, each with different magnification levels like 4x, 10x, and 40x. The combination of the eyepiece and objective lens gives you the total magnification. Pretty cool, right? Now, the is where you place your slides. It has clips to hold the slides in place. Below the stage is the which controls the amount of light hitting your specimen. Speaking of light, the or at the base illuminates your slide. And let's not forget the and. These are crucial for getting a clear image. The coarse focus moves the stage up and down significantly, while the fine focus makes those tiny adjustments. Okay, now that you know the parts, let's talk about how to handle the microscope properly. Always carry it with 2 hands, one on the arm and one under the base. Place it on a stable surface. Start with the lowest power objective lens and make sure your slide is secured on the stage. Use the coarse focus knob to bring the specimen into view, then switch to the fine focus for a sharp image. Remember, switch to higher magnification lenses carefully, and only after you've focused on low power. Turn the nose piece gently to avoid damaging the lenses, and always look from the side when changing objectives to make sure the lens doesn't crash into the slide. Finally, proper storage is super important. Lower the stage, switch to the lowest power objective, and remove the slide. Turn off the light source and unplug it if necessary. Use a cover to keep it dust-free. Store it in a cool, dry place, and there you have it, your beginner's guide to unlocking the secrets of the compound microscope. By understanding its parts and handling it with care, you'll be set up for microscope success. Happy exploring and keep on discovering. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.